This website or learning management system or LMS is completely designed in Python, Flask, JavaScript, a little bit of JavaScript, HTML and CSS. And it is completely coded, no third party used. So let's come to this manager section, which is the most important from the point of view of a tutor. So we have overview first. You can add many workshops, maybe 4 or 5, but you can set the current workshop, which will be shown on the current workshop where people can register and get enrolled. So you can write the name here and you can set it. And all the details of whatever is done stepwise on the current workshop can be checked here so that there is no confusion. Current workshop, the code what you assign to that is shown here. Open registration done, promotion is pending, last day reminder is pending, closed registration is pending, certificate distribution is pending. Upcoming workshops, you can get all the list of workshops here, and if it exists or not, details exist or not, you can check here. Now there are 3 major sections here: study material operations, notifications and exports. In the study material operations, the first option is add new workshop. You can add the name here, for example very short name, something maybe workshop you are wanna hold here, so you can write the name like category so that it will be easier for you to search for it. WS1, WS2, question answer 1, question answer 2, for example Q&A 1, Q&A 2. Then the topic, what's the topic? Workshop date, time, session link. If you have pre-defined or pre-created the session link where they can join the online session, you can add here instructor, the name of instructor, and add to database. So you have added the primary details of a workshop or course, whatever you say. These all things can be changed to workshop or to course or whatever you want. Then comes add workshop details. Here you can add more details about the workshop which will help interested people get info and make them register and help them make their mind. So workshop name, here it will be the proper name, for example Ganpati Sadhana or some other thing. Category, brief, you can write briefly about this. Sessions, how many sessions. Subtopics, what subtopics you will cover. Description, requirements. Results, what you will get after joining this course, what you will be able to do. And you can add to it to database. Now upload photos. Whenever you need some cover photo or thumbnail also to show on the workshop page or course page, you can add it from here. Just choose files and upload photos and everything will get updated on that page. We will see it later. We will see that page later. Now open registration. Once you have selected the current workshop from overview, you can easily open registration by just clicking once, and it will let them enroll by paying money using payment gateway, just like Amazon or Flipkart. You check out there, you can also check out here very formally and very classy, in a very classy way, and they can register here. Add recording link. Whenever you have commenced a session and you have completed it, then you will get a link. You can host the videos somewhere on maybe say Vimeo or YouTube or anywhere. You can just add a session URL here and add to database, it will update it. Add session link. So whenever you want to there are many parts in your course, in your workshop, and you have to add many session links. Then for the next session you can add the link here where people can join, and it will be further used in the promotion. Close registration, you can close it right by clicking just a single button, and nobody will be able to go on the transaction page, and they will be shown that the registration has been closed. Add demo video. For some other videos other than the courses, you can add it from here. Maybe some instruction video for all, or for some specific person, for specific level of students, you can add it here. Now notifications, new workshop promotion. Once you have added all the details of the new workshop, you can promote it using mail promotion, WhatsApp promotion, and the both. And it will send whatever be the number of the students, maybe 500, 600 or 700. It will do its job. And the mail is also HTML customized mail, where you can have the photos and everything and the links, everything properly customized like you get from many companies. Lastly, reminder. When the name itself explains it, whenever it is to expire, the registration is to be closed, you can send it. Session link, you can send session links for every session using email, WhatsApp, or whatever you want, or both. Session reminder, often people forget right on the day of the workshop or meeting. They forget that, oh, today I have this meeting. So you can remind them right 1 hour ahead or 2 hour or whatever time you want, or just 5 minutes ahead, that please join here, by just sending by just clicking this, and all the details will be sent. Certificate distribution, if you also give certificates or any data like this, personified data where everyone's certificate is different, you can upload in bulk here, and just with one click distribute via email. It will be distributed to everyone based on their name. They will only get certificate, only their own certificate, not somebody else's certificate, and our system just manages everything. You don't have to sort out. Exports, CSV for certificates. For example, you have to create a certificate or whatever, and you need some data, so it can create a CSV for you, Excel file, and you can download it with all the details. Reports, it can show the reports of all the workshop, how many people enrolled and how much collection there was made, and all other things. GST filing sheet, if you also file GST, then it will do everything for you. It will collect everything, all the invoices, and it will create a sheet which can be pushed to GST website with just one click, and it will get filed. So no paying to CA or no talking to CA or some agent. Miscellaneous operations, this is very important. Here you can visualize all the data by user, by workshop, by query. For example, user, all users, by workshop, by role, what roles they have, by name, by mail. Workshop, all participants, by workshop, by instructor. You can see the workshop if there are multiple instructors, by date. And query, you can also query all by workshop, by role. For example, in admin role whose name is blah blah blah, you can get all the details of that person. Now accountant, coming to accountant. So accountant and GST, these two will give all the financial details, when you filed a GST, how much tax you will have to pay, and everything. Now modifications, role management. In role management, you can easily manage roles. For example, somebody you want to make an admin, so he can do these things for you. You can just promote them to admin or editor or blogger, or you can also assign different levels of students here. For example, advanced or beginner or whatever, and it will help you in a way that whenever you want to give them some videos or some instructions only specific to a single level, or maybe say you are helping in 3 or 4 kinds of upasanas, so you can also sort out very easily. You can only send those you can only make those videos show to those people who are already in that category. Others will not be able to see it. You can also remove by email. You can also remove their role. You can kick them out, or you can just change it. Modifications, you can modify anything, all the data, whatever you have here, maybe workshop related or some person related. Maybe they say that, oh, my number has changed, please change my number, then you can do it from here. Manual enroll, it is a backup plan whenever the system fails for different reasons. For example, the bank server is fail, or the transaction is not getting completed, then you can enroll them manually also. Deletions, you can delete anything and everything here by just clicking on deletions. Whatever you want to delete, maybe a workshop or maybe some person or whatever. So this is the manager section, this was. And now let's come to the workshop section. Whatever you have updated here will get updated here as well. What you have entered in the manager, it will get automatically updated. For example, the cover photo, the name, the date, time, and the topics about the session, requirements, whom and how it will help, what will you get from it, out of it. Ask a question, enroll now there are 2 options. Ask a question, once somebody clicks it, he will be or she will be taken to your WhatsApp chat. straight to you. And enroll now. Now it is the current workshop and the registration is open. That's why we are seeing this option, enroll now. Once clicking on it, it will ask for amount. Maybe it can be fixed amount, or maybe they can enter their own amount, and any messages for us, and continue. And it will take them to the transaction page, checkout page, and then they will be get enrolled. Our vision, this is the static thing which will be shown in all of your workshops. Whatever you want to write about the instructor, or maybe your motto, or maybe about your initiative, you can write here. And upcoming workshops can be shown here. 4 workshops can be shown altogether. And what is great about this is that whenever once clicks interested button, then all the details will be taken and will be added to the interested list, and they will be you will be able to send promotion mail by just one click. Later on, we saw on the manager page, to these people also, maybe some new visitors come and they will also get the promotion details. You won't lose any lead. No more. Once they click this, then it will take them to the main page of that workshop. To know more about the workshop, same things again, the cover photo, title, and all the topics, requirements, everything. But here what we see is that ask a question, the same thing, they will click it and they will be taken to your WhatsApp. But instead of enroll now, it is interested. So they can also send that, oh, I am interested. Whenever this class comes, please let me know. And now coming to the classroom section. This classroom section is very personal section. Here students will see all those videos and contents which are meant for them. For example, if they have registered for that, they will see things here. For example, workshop 2, this account has registered for workshop 2, so only these 2 videos related to that workshop can be seen here. It has not enrolled in the workshop 1, that's why you cannot see the workshop 1 videos. And also, once you send some level specific contents, for example for beginners or advanced, they will also be able to see those contents based on their level. They won't see anything which is not needed. Now coming on the main page, we have this main page. Everything can be changed here also. You can add the cover photo in the background. You can tell something about your firm or your Gurukul or your institution, and there can be links also here which can take you somewhere, and also many other things can be added here. And these all things can be updated through the manager. You will just put the photos there and it will change it here. The text can be changed, everything. And now one very important thing is that fundraisers can also be added. For example, if you have to build a temple, or say you have to do some big anusthana, and people want to donate for spiritual purposes, so they can donate from there, and they can see that how much your goal is completed and how much more is needed to complete that goal and everything. Volunteers can be added and they can be assigned some tasks, and volunteer only pages can be made. Blogs can also be added, a blog section where you can add multiple blogs, and anyone can search based on the tags or the blog number or the blog name, or just by category. It will be listed. It can be listed. Now, one more important thing is that there are 2 advantages of having a properly coded LMS of your own. One is that you don't have to pay anyone monthly or anything. I'm not asking you for, that's why people ask for these things monthly also. And I also, if I will have some other commercial or say corporate clients, then I also ask money. So you don't have to pay anyone. No third parties are here involved here, so no data breach problem. Everything in your control, and you don't have to pay any third parties. And one more thing, that the websites are super fast. It is my very basic 5G connection, whatever everyone is getting right now, and I will write down the URL and see. With a blink of eye, it opens.